Hi, I'm Ann Tarter, and you're watching your hometown weather forecast, brought to you by Tarter Farm and Ranch.
Okay, today we have a high of 66 and a low of 44 in Hurricane, Utah. 41, excuse me. And in California, we have a high of 64 and a low of 49 again.
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas, I knew that. Woo! You guys, this is weird. Okay, so up here we have a cold front coming in down over here, and then in the east we have unsettled weather over here, and then we have dry and mild in the Utah areas, Nevada, Arizona, California, blah blah. Enter to win a 10K product giveaway at TarterUSA.com. Find Tarter products at Cow Ranch, Steve Reagan Company.
This has been your local hometown weather forecast, brought to you by Tarter Farm and Ranch. Go to TarterUSA.com.